Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Toyota Supra in NFS Unbound. We'll cover the essential steps from unlocking the car to finally adding it to your garage. Getting your dream ride involves understanding the game's progression and knowing where to look. Follow along to ensure you don't miss any crucial details on your path to owning this iconic vehicle. To unlock the Toyota Supra, you'll typically need to advance through the game's story mode or complete specific challenges. Many high-performance vehicles become available after reaching certain milestones or winning particular races. Keep an eye on your in-game messages and objectives, as these often hint at when new cars, like the Supra, become accessible for purchase. Once unlocked, head to the in-game dealership or car shop. Browse the available vehicles until you find the Toyota Supra. Make sure you have enough in-game cash to complete the transaction. The price will be displayed, and a simple confirmation will add this legendary car to your garage, ready for customization and racing. After acquiring your Supra, the real fun begins with customization. You can change its appearance with body kits, paint, and decals. Don't forget to upgrade its performance parts, like the engine, suspension, and nitrous, to dominate the streets. Experiment with tuning to find the perfect balance for your driving style and conquer every race.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.